You can get a warm burger, soba noodles, even a bowl of curry rice. In a city like Tokyo, vending machines seem to be everywhere. There are literally millions in Japan, and it's a big business, selling $44 billion of goods in 2016. With COVID-19, those sales are slowing down, which means getting rid of unprofitable machines. Vending machine sales were already falling even before COVID, with competition from convenience stores that are open 24/7 and have way more options. But there is hope for some of them. About an hour away from central Tokyo is the Retro Vending Machine Park. Here you'll find 50 or so machines side by side selling some quirky items. Turning vending machines into tourist attractions may not be a solution for bigger business, though, since it requires labor and efficient distribution. Saito says it takes 5 people a day to restock his machines, just in time for lunch.